Final day, Vagabond vacations Tenerife. You can maybe sense it from my energy levels because they've been dropping steadily as is normal for these type of trips. But anyways, we still got one nice day to go. And today is a very, very beautiful sunny day. So decided to do a beach shoot to end this nice trip. And we went for kind of a black sand beach because for some people it's a pretty unique feature, these volcanic black sand beaches. This one is still nice and shiny, but maybe a bit more to the gray side. Anyways, with a little bit of Photoshop we can fix that.
All right, we're here with Mari, and we found some black rocks over that way. A little bit more private, a little bit more secluded. Of course I say that, but it's just less traffic because there's a bunch of people looking down on us, so not a lot of real privacy. But over that way, that's where we're gonna go shoot. We got their big old gray rocks instead of the little black rocks that we always see around here, so hopefully that'll produce something a little different. You ready for this?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Agatha is fuego as always, and the cool thing is that she always brings this kind of accessories, like this hat now. These days she's bringing these nice hats. That's always cool to work with. Got some nice shadows also that you can play with, create some anonymity. So cool stuff. Let's go see what Sonny is all about in the distance there. Dude. Sonny just shot Agatha, and in the background you had the guard, how do you call that? Baywatch? No, wait. The guard tower. How is the job called? Lifeguard. Okay.
It looks like he's running towards her.
Towards her. Nice.
Yes.
Cool. Nice storytelling going. Good shot. Good job.
So I was walking up here and there's like this whole scene. I got one, I got JC, and I got Sheer over here, and they're laughing about something. And then, so I need you to tell me what the hell I just saw.
Yeah, so it says no animals, like prohibida animales. She kind of invented the meow move. So it's like she's out of the scene and then she goes into the frame and she does this cute like meow. And so it's like a little cheeky joke. No animals, bam, meow. Alright, we did a bunch more cheeky shots. One with the cigarettes, because it says no smoking. It's on the beach, of course, we're in front of it. So, little sneaky shot like that. And then we did one with the two girls dropping down their panties with their backs kind of to the lifeguard. So, the poor man, he doesn't really know how much he's being used in this shot. Then at the very end, he turned around, didn't see anything. So, nothing happened. Nothing happened over here.
That's what you call perfect timing.
Perfect timing. Right, let's move away before he beats us up.
Boudoir.
Proost.
L'chaim.
Cheers. Vagabond.
Lock it there. Don't move. Licking it yourself or doing it for the other person. Like you dip in it and you bring it to her.
But we can use her. She don't want to use it. I put this.
Yeah, can you let go of it? Oh yeah, it falls.
The sun is here.
Yeah, you look great, man.
Really? With the super, not
Edgar.
over Edgar,
Nice
photographer.
to meet you. Yeah,
Nice.
Friend of Anna. Anna Tenerife Travel.
And best photographer, who? You and me.
Yeah.
The chin. So try to not look on me. You're always looking straight, right? And put it a bit higher. And don't forget to breathe. And then we go, beautiful lady. Yep. Beautiful. Just continue. As the photographer, you need to show everything on yourself. This is the best way to explain another person. And the best way to gain trust. Because if you can show something, boom, 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 she can repeat it, right? She can repeat it, and it's even funnier, you know, to work.
I like
Otherwise, the person is, okay, what to do? And model is always waiting for something like response, right?
Exactly, yeah.
If there is no connection, there is no erection.
How many girls do you need to put on a harness?
Okay, no, creo que sí.
We got two girls
Creo que esto es la espalda
helping.
y aquí la cabeza. Okay. I think it's maybe. Maybe not.
Have you tried turning it off and on again?
Okay, sí, sacándolo el trasero. We did it, yeah.
Agatha brought this nice kind of leather BDSM-ish style suit, I would call it, or harness, it's better, usually called. And she wants to grab some nice, soft, cinematic video footage of that, just to show off this beautiful outfit. So I'm gonna help her out with that. Let's see how we do it.
Okay, let's close your eyes, I'm gonna help you to do that. Just listen to the ocean, relax, and whenever you feel comfortable, you're gonna open your eyes and just look with no emotions, alright? That's what we need. Now. Exactly.
I just saw Edgar in action and I picked up on something really, really good, which I'm gonna steal off of him. I'll tell him in a sec when he's done with the shooting. In order to get a very nice facial expression from Agatha, who is kind of a very expressive model. She's always like kind of laughy and high energy, but he wants to have this kind of intimate, strong, real emotion in her face. And in order to get her to do that, he made her really slow down. He was like, close your eyes, listen to the sounds of the ocean, get into your world. And the moment that you feel at peace and comfortable, then you open your eyes. I like it. It has a little bit of a meditative element to it. I'm a big meditator myself and I've never really put the model in a meditative experience. Usually I kind of try to have the models do something more like spontaneous, playful, but next time I'm gonna try out this kind of going into more of a Zen space. It looks nice, intimate, very real. Always cool to meet other photographers. You learn something every damn time. Sunset time. Now everybody's getting super excited for this golden hour shot. Can't fake these emotions. That's the last sunset of this Vagabond vacations in Tenerife. I'm flying back tomorrow to Belgium. After that, going to Mexico. The next trip is probably gonna be Mexico. And with that last sunset, it's officially a wrap. JC out. Scoot, scoot.